This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. North Dakota's getting a major snowstorm on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. It's going to bring up to 15 to 30 plus centimeters of snow in North Dakota. It's going to be lots of snow in North Dakota as well. But the winds are going to be pretty strong with the storm as well. There could be some blowing and drifting snow in North Dakota, especially in Fargo, North Dakota. It's going to be lots of snow and strong winds as well. Blowing snow, drifting snow in North Dakota. And roads will be bad and roads will be snow covered on the interstate highways and the state highways and local roads in North Dakota as well. And a bitter cold will be coming after a major snowstorm on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. Once the snowstorm is over, bitter cold air is on its way for North Dakota as well. It will also affect South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska as well. And even Wisconsin as well. People in North Dakota, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready because lots of snow is heading for North Dakota on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. And if you're driving on the streets, slow down. Take your time driving your car so you don't get in a car accident. In North Dakota, have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. And have your sand trucks ready because it will be too cold for salt to melt the snow on the roads in North Dakota. Once the storm is over, it's going to be a very bitter cold air to hit North Dakota. Have your furnaces on. Turn on your furnaces. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. And drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. And drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. When you're driving a car, be very careful driving the car. Slow down. Take your time driving the car so you don't get in a car accident, especially on the interstate highways in North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska. Because the roads will be very bad in North Dakota on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. It's going to be a stormy conditions with lots of snow and pretty strong winds in North Dakota as well. It's going to be a snowstorm in North Dakota on Wednesday, December the 3rd, 2013. It will be reduced visibilities. And visibility is going to be reduced and could be zero visibility as well. Because lots of snow is going to hit North Dakota on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. Best of luck to you people in North Dakota. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Wednesday. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be safe. And stay warm.